Hey everyone, Walmart reported second quarter fiscal year 2024 earnings results, which I'm going to review in this video. I'm also going to update my recommendation of Walmart stock. Coming into this quarter, I had the stock rated as a buy, so you're going to want to tune in to see if I'm updating or changing that recommendation in this video here. Let's get right into it, starting with the earnings results, which saw its revenue grow by 5.7% to 161.6 billion. That revenue growth is impressive considering if you compare it with Target. Target saw its revenue decline by mid-single digits in its most recent quarter. Walmart saw its revenue increase by mid-single digits. So nice outperformance there from Walmart. Earnings per share jumped by 55% to $2.92, and the company did a good job of reducing inventories down to 56.7 billion compared to 59.9 billion in the second quarter last year. That's been a story for retailers, brick and mortar retailers, especially in the last year as they overinvested in inventory during the calendar year 2022 following the mass supply shortages and sold out and lack of inventory they noticed earlier in the pandemic. They overreacted and purchased too much inventory, and now they're in the process of bringing down the inventory, and Walmart did a good job of that, bringing down the inventory year over year without experiencing a significant uh, decrease in their profitability. Target also decreased their inventories, but that came at the expense of their profit margins. They had to offer mass discounts and promotions to get rid of their inventory. Walmart didn't have to be as aggressive in their discounts to get rid of their inventory. Interestingly, advertising revenue increased by 35% for Walmart, and this has been another trend that's been helping retailers is ad revenue. Companies like Amazon, Walmart, Macy's, eBay, they've all been adding ad revenue to support their business because they realized, hey, we get millions of shoppers that visit our website and visit our stores. We can sell advertising because businesses would love to influence the purchasing decisions of these customers that are coming to our stores and coming to our websites. And so that's what they've been doing, and retailers are now becoming a major player in the advertising industry, taking market share rapidly. All of those companies I mentioned, Amazon, Walmart, Macy's, eBay, they've all been really taking market share in the industry because it, that's very close to the purchase, right? Businesses, if you're on the Walmart website and you're about to buy something, businesses would love to get the opportunity to influence your decision, right? Compare that to, let's say, if you're listening to a podcast or watching something on TV, that's less the distance between a sale and that podcast is pretty far away. You might not even be thinking about buying anything when you're listening to a podcast. And so the connection between that advertisement and the sale is not as close as if you're right on the website, right about to make a purchase. And so justification for spending on that advertising has been increasing, and that's going to be a tailwind for Walmart going forward. Gross profit margin increased by 50 basis points to 24%, and as a result of the excellent quarter, Walmart is raising its revenue and profit forecast for the rest of the year. Now, here's an interesting chart of Walmart's net sales and operating income for its most recent quarter. And what you can notice here is that Walmart International was a big driver of the company's growth in the quarter. Walmart International grew sales by 13.3% and operating income by 14.1%, growing to become a more meaningful part of the company's business, driving 1.2 billion in operating income in the most recent quarter compared to 6.1 billion in operating income for Walmart US. The company's low cost items, affordable options is gaining traction with consumers worldwide as inflation is starting to bite consumer budgets and people are looking to get more bang for their buck. Walmart offers great options to customers. In fact, we often wish that there was a Walmart close by in our neighborhood because many of the stores are just so expensive compared to the prices that Walmart offers for very similar items. So now, to update my recommendation for Walmart stock, I came into the quarter recommending the stock as a buy. I reiterating that recommendation. I think if you're a passive income investor or if you're just any type of investor, Walmart stock offers you good risk versus reward at its current valuations, which are not too expensive. But that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.